Students, in this video we are going to look at a word problem of NCERT textbook based on simultaneous linear equations. The problem is places A and B are 100 km apart on a highway. One car starts from A and another from B at the same time. If the cars travel in the same direction at different speeds, they meet in 5 hours. If they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. What are the speeds of the two cars? Now, let us look for its solution. Let us see the following diagram. Here is the point A and here is the point B. The two cars start, the first car starts from A and the second car starts from B. The uniform speed of the car at A is x km/h and that of the car at B is y km/h. Now, the first case is they move in this direction and therefore they will meet somewhere else after this position, suppose C. Now, in this case, clearly the car at A will try to overtake the car at B, and hence the speed x must be greater than y. X is greater than y. Now in the case second, A goes towards B. That means car at A goes towards B and the car at B goes towards A. And in this way they meet at D. Now, the time taken for the first case is 5 hours and the time taken for the second case is 1 hour. Now it is clear that x is greater than y. Applying the rule, distance is equal to speed multiplied by time, we have in the first case. The distance travelled by the car at A after 5 hours is equal to x multiplied by 5, that is 5x, minus the distance travelled by the car at B is 5y, and this distance minus this distance is going to be 100 km because the distance between A and B is 100 km. Therefore, 5x minus 5y is equal to 100. Dividing by 5, we have x minus 5 is equal to 20. This is our first equation. Similarly, considering the second case, we have this distance travelled by car at A is equal to x and this distance travelled by car at B is y, that is x plus y. This distance plus this distance is again the distance between AB, and that is 100 as given in the question. And this is our second equation. We have to solve both the equations. Now by first plus second we have, adding this, y gets cancelled, x plus x, that is 2x, and 20 plus 100, that is 120. And by this equation we have x is equal to 60 km/h. Putting this value in equation 1, x is 60, this is 60, minus y, that is 20. And from this we have y is equal to 40 km per hour. Hence, x is equal to 60 km per hour and y is equal to 40 km per hour. These are the speeds of the car at A and car at B. ओके, थैंक यू। दूसरे वीडियो के लिए